Let's search inside.
None of it worthwhile. What is it Dagon expects me to find?
Jedi, I've been dying to meet you. I want that power for Revis. I summon strength.
Then please.
I will be the victor.
Help PD. Another raider with a lightsaber. Dagon must be sending them out for something, and we're following the same trail. No getting through. Another one of these devices. This one's broken too.
He is coming. Destroy it now. Wait!
Centauri.
Another of Centauri's devices. Dagon killed Jedi for destroying it. I think these could be our answer. Let's bring this back to Master Cordova. I think Master T'Pol had this one.
Hold them back! Look out! I can't!
We should take this back to Jeddah. Master Cordova will want to see what we found. Ready to move on? Breathe. So next, let's go to...
Heading to Jedi.
Think Cordova can make some sense of that tech Cal found?
Are you kidding me? That guy is as sharp as they come. I can't wait to see Seer again. I owe her big time. She fronted me the credits for Pyloons.
How much do you owe her, Grease?
2,000 credits, give or take. Maybe I'll make Granny Pyloon's famous casserole and she'll forget all about it.
For 2,000 credits? That better be one hell of a casserole.
Arriving at our destination.
I agree, but how can we be sure it's safe?
We cannot.
The network's resources are stretched thin, and some local leaders are unwilling to accept the risks.
How can we convince them? Many fear that accepting refugees will put a target on their back.
A strange device. This one seems to be a duplicate. Both have been damaged by lightsabers.
Wasn't me. This time.
Perish the thought, hmm?
You think you can fix it?
I don't know. But I will certainly try.
Master Junda, the Empire is nearing Pilgrim Sanctuary.
Is it a strike force?
No, an excavation team.
Good. They don't know about the safe house.
Yet.
Safe house?
Hidden in the ruins. Have we begun evacuations?
They're already underway, but Brother Armias isn't responding.
Armias has the communication codes.
If they capture him, they could put the entire hidden path at risk.
I know the ruins. I will go.
I'm coming with you. Boat?
You know what? I think I should stay here. Make myself useful.
I could use a research assistant.
Bring back Armias.
You got it.
And no heroics!
With this one? No promises.
I think she was talking to you. Is the safe house far?
No, but we will need a spammel to get there. They gather near the base. Follow me.
What was this place?
An old anchorite monastery. Impressive, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pilgrim Sanctuary is an ancient temple. Seer and Master Cordova chose it as the Hidden Path safe house. We knew one day the Empire would come, just not so soon. Pilgrim's Crossing is on the other side of the desert.
This way, Master Junda. We are nearly there. So, what do you think?
It's old, abandoned, and in the middle of nowhere. It's perfect.
There's our ride. Let's hope this spamel doesn't abandon us.
Don't hold a grudge, Cal. It's not you.
Easy now. How many safe houses does the path have left?
I do not know. But I suspect there are not many. Let's try to avoid unnecessary attention.
Won't be easy when the desert's littered with imps.
Then we will deal with them together.
Steady, steady. Looks easy to get lost out here.
Then it is a good thing you have a guide.
Yeah! Easy, friend. You can do it! Slower now.
What's that, Trooper? Watch out! Kill that thing!
Imperial's in the way.
Someone else get up here!
Just like all times.
Watch out! Got you!
Get involved with a hidden path.
I came across someone in need during my travels and helped them hide from the Empire. That eventually led me to the path.
Sometimes, I wonder if destroying the holocron had any impact.
We protected the children on that list. But there are others.
And the Empire's still hunting them down.
Just so. We must protect those we can.
Seer's base.
Yes, they are ancient security mechanisms. A remnant of those who came before. When the Empire arrived, the Anchorites began to use these.
Old tech is less conspicuous.
Exactly. Well done. Shall we continue?
The safe house is in there?
Yes. The temple is abandoned and well fortified.
Perfect place to hide from the Empire.
So we thought.
We'll find Brother Armias.
I hope so. We will take the back route. It is the fastest way.
That looks like trouble.
At least there's two of us. One for each of its claws.
Now,
Gather my energy.
do your thing.
One time.
Nasty things.
Did you find the way to Tanalor?
Not yet. But we found some devices from the High Republic. Master Cordova's inspecting them now.
Seer and her master are quite the pair. They've been a vital asset to the path since they joined us.
Did you come across any other Jedi on your travels?
No, Cal. If I had, I would have contacted you.
Thank you. Nice.
A shortcut to Seer's base. That is where we are going. But we must take the long way for now. Welcome back. Back to Pilgrim's Sanctuary.
Empire's closing in.
Let's split up. I will slow their progress. We'll regroup near the temple.
Hey, Marin. Watch yourself out there.
I'll be doing the watching, Cal.
Just you and me again. Jedi looks hungry. Careful not to touch anything here. Don't want to wake the dead. A little help, buddy. I really needed that. Devoted to the very end. But to what cause? Stuck the landing. Let's go, BD. Brace yourself, BD! This remind you of Zeppo too? Can't make that. Too windy. Gotta block the wind somehow. You ever heard anything like that before? Almost like music. Need to center myself.